Well, it's getting warm out, the sun is outside, and it's definitely back to pool season again. So to keep your pool looking its best, you need a good filter, and the sand filters are probably the easiest to use, least amount of effort required, and the best clarity of water that you can get. A lot easier to deal with than cartridges. So if you've got an out-of-ground pool or any pool that's about 2,100 gallons or smaller, this is the right particular unit for you. This is the HCP 370A. And the way this works is you've got sand filtration in here. You're going to get that sand at a pool store or order it online, but that medium is specific to pools, and it'll go inside this container here. I'll show you how that works. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to fill the container up into the minimum and maximum lines here, somewhere in the center of this. First, you're going to drop this down to the bottom, and then take this little guide. This is for pouring sand into the container. It'll keep your post here centered, and it'll stop any sand from going inside the middle where we want to have just clean water. So that's just going to set right on top of that pipe. It's going to keep that pipe centered inside the bucket. Now I'm going to pour sand down in there, and you can look into there and see the max and the min lines still there on the side of that. I'm just going to fill that up with that medium here, get it to right where it needs to be. And when that's filled up, now my post is nice and centered. Take that cover, put it away. And then I'm going to take the valve, and I'm going to attach the valve onto the sand filtrate. Take a look at the valve here. Very cool. It's got a lot of good features. So typically, you're going to run your pool, if it's about 2,100 gallons, you're going to run it in the filter mode here for about 4 to 6 hours a day. When you're going to need to clean the filter out, you're going to move it here over to the backwash mode, and that's going to allow it to push water through and bring that debris that's caught in the filter, leaves, bugs, dirt, whatever. It's going to blow that off the sand, and it's going to let it go out into the waste area. And that's going to allow you to keep using the same medium over and over till you really wear it out, which takes a good amount of time. Then after you've done a backwash, you're going to do a rinse, and you're going to be looking for water to come out clear, and then you repeat the backwash and rinse a couple times so you get it nice and clear. If you needed to totally empty out the whole filter system, you just move it here to waste, and that'll just vacate everything that's in the filter. Pour that out. You need to close the filter, you just put it here to closed. And then the nice thing here too is in the winter. When you're winterizing your pool, you need to get all the water out of here best you can. You've got drains down here at the bottom built into the system. You're going to want to get all the water out and set this to winter, and that's going to take any pressure off your valves here. So if there's any water left and it freezes, it won't damage this. So you're going to need to do a good job of winterizing for these type of filters. Now this is just going to connect here. You've got some O-rings to seal it nice and well. They provide all the O-rings you're going to need here for all your fittings. And you're going to just set this down on. Get it nice and flush, and then you're going to attach to the rim here, because this is going to have a lot of pressure on it, using this bracket that they provide you, and screw this down tight. And that's all going to be set, ready to go. Now you're going to look to your connections to your pool. So your pool is going to have an inlet here to the pump. So the pool coming from your pool is going to go through here. You're going to go into this little basket, which catches large debris and leaves and things like that. In this little basket here that you can take out and clean as you need to. And again, like all the O-rings are included. Everything you need to get started is right here. Then it's gonna run through the pump. You're gonna make sure before you ever start it, you're gonna want to prime this basket, fill it with some water, turn on the pump. You're gonna have water getting pressurized and pushed through the filter, and it's gonna come through the filter into either this return line here back to your pool, or the waste line here on the back, which just goes out to wherever you want to eject that to. Maybe you've got a line or a hose connected to this, so you can direct that to a sewer drain or something. So a couple more instructions here in these pictures, explains how it works. But that's it. That's the gist of it. They're going to give you all the fittings that you may need to attach and connect to your pump, and to also to the filter itself. And you're going to have hose connectors too. You're going to have a plug here as well. Maybe you want to put that on your waistline if you're not going to be using that. And then you get even some hose clamps and some Teflon tape. So everything comes with this kit. This is a really well-made piece of equipment. You can just feel in the plastics and just the way everything is comprised here. It's nice stuff. They use good materials and good hardware putting it all together. So I definitely would recommend, if you have an out-of-ground pool and you're tired of messing with that and you have a really sad cartridge filter, upgrade to a sand filter. You'll definitely be happy with the results. Hope that helps. Have a great day.